Let's be real. Most people aren't bad with money because they're lazy or don't care. They're overwhelmed because nobody ever taught them a simple system that actually works. You were forced to learn about the Roman Empire and advanced algebra, but when it came to managing your own money, you were pretty much left to figure it out on your own. It's no surprise that Gen Z is struggling with financial literacy. A 2026 TIAA Institute Personal Finance Index found that Gen Z participants answered only 38% of basic financial questions correctly, the lowest of any generation. This isn't just about numbers, it's about that constant low-level hum of stress you feel when you don't know where your money is going. The anxiety of swiping your card, the fear of an unexpected bill, that nagging feeling that you're always playing catch-up. But what if I told you that the system is broken, not you? What if getting control of your money didn't require a finance degree or a six-figure salary? It just requires two simple steps. This is the 10-minute crash course that's going to change how you see your bank account, starting today. Financial literacy is not about knowing the ins and outs of the stock market. It's not some exclusive club for the rich. At its heart, financial literacy is just having the skills to manage your money well enough to reduce your stress and build a life you actually want to live. It's about empowerment. It's about you being in charge of your cash, instead of your cash being in charge of you. The reason so many people feel like they're failing is because they think they have to do it all at once. Budget perfectly, save thousands, pay off every penny of debt, start investing yesterday. It's a recipe for burnout. So we're going to forget all that and focus on two steps that actually work. Step 1. Know your numbers. This is the most critical, non-negotiable first step. You can't make a plan for your money if you don't know the raw numbers. It's like trying to follow a map without knowing your starting point. The most important number to know is your net income. Your gross income is that big, exciting number on your job offer. Your net income is what's actually left after taxes and deductions. That's your real income. That's the number you have to work with. Trying to budget with your gross pay is the fastest way to overspend and end up in the red. Next, you need to know what's going out. For 1 week, just 7 days, track every single dollar you spend. Don't judge it. Don't try to change it. Just watch it. Every coffee, every subscription, every late-night pizza, everything. At the end of the week, sort your spending into 2 buckets: needs and wants. Needs are the absolute must-haves: rent, utilities, groceries, getting to work. Wants are everything else: streaming services, dinner with friends, new shoes, hobbies. Be honest with yourself. This isn't about feeling guilty, it's about getting clarity. Now you have the 2 most important pieces of the puzzle: what's coming in and what's going out. Step 2. Give your money a job. A budget isn't a restriction, it's a permission slip. It's you proactively deciding what's important and giving yourself permission to spend on those things. Guilt-free. We're going to use a simple framework, the 50-30-20 guideline. 50% goes to your needs: rent, utilities, groceries, car payments, minimum debt payments. If your needs are taking up way more than 50%, that's a red flag. 30% goes to your wants: dining out, hobbies, entertainment, shopping, travel. This is your official permission slip. Having this category kills the guilt because you planned for it. And the final 20%, this is where the magic happens. 20% goes to your future self: savings, paying off extra debt, and eventually investing. This 20% is your ticket to financial security. Before you even think about investing, you need a safety net. Life is unpredictable. Cars break down, people get sick, jobs disappear. The Federal Reserve's 2024 survey showed that 37% of American adults couldn't cover a $400 emergency expense with cash. This is how people fall into debt cycles. Your first mission is a starter emergency fund. $1,000, maybe even $500. The amount is less important than the act of starting. Every dollar from that 20% goes directly into a separate savings account. Label it Emergency Fund. Do not touch. This is not a vacation fund. This is your life just happened fund. Not all debt is created equal. High-interest debt, credit cards, payday loans, is the silent killer of your financial progress. According to Experian 2025 data, the average credit card balance for Gen Z is around $3,500. With interest rates above 21%, this debt feels like quicksand. Once your starter emergency fund is in place, attack high-interest debt using the avalanche method. Start with the highest interest rate first. Throw every spare dollar at it while paying minimums on everything else. Once it's gone, roll that payment into the next debt. It's the fastest way out. Now, investing. You see it all over social media, people bragging about huge wins in stocks and crypto. The FOMO is real. But investing is not the first step. Trying to invest when you have no savings and high-interest debt is like building a skyscraper on a foundation of mud. Your credit card costs 20% interest. Paying it off is a guaranteed return on your money. The order of operations is clear. Track your income and expenses. Set up your 50-30-20 plan. Build your starter emergency fund. Aggressively pay off high-interest debt. Then, and only then, start investing for your future. You have just learned in 10 minutes what many of us were never taught in school. You now have a proven two-step strategy to take complete control of your money. Here is your challenge. For the next 7 days, track your spending. Write it all down. Calculate your take-home pay. Apply the 50-30-20 rule and open a separate savings account. Your first goal is just $100. That's it. You don't need to be rich to be in control of your money. You just need a system. Now you have one. If this video helped you, click subscribe for more financial advice that actually works. Drop a comment right now. Tell me the one thing you're going to do this week to start your journey. Let's build this future together.